My name is Adrien Lucca. I'm here at the Glasmalerei Peters studio working on a monumental piece that will go in a building in Toulouse in France. It's for the public, it's for the people that will work in the building, it's also for the people that will visit the building. And it will possibly be the largest pen plotter drawing ever made. The total will be around 120 square meters. Behind me we see a little fragment of the whole piece, which is much bigger. It's on 96 different panels. It will be installed in a building dating from 1925 in a monumental staircase on 3 vertical sequences of windows. Together with Mathieu Zeostrassen, which is a friend of mine and which collaborates on this project, we have built a pen plotter. So it's basically a table, a flat bed with an X and Y axis and a pen. The pen is 0.8 millimeter and it mechanically applies 2 ceramic inks on the glass. While the 2 inks are reacting to light in a different way, the lighter one becomes nearly invisible on some light conditions, depending on what's behind it, and depending also on if the sky is cloudy or if there is direct sunlight, it's very different. On one side there's the pen plotter, the mechanical part, and on the other side there is an algorithm that I wrote, a code. This code, based on mathematical principles, is generating this crystalline or quasi-crystalline shape, which means that it's a geometry that tends to reproduce itself in a very similar way. It's self-similar. So you will see like similar shapes reappearing, sometimes with a different dimension or different organization. At the same time, the repetition always involves some kind of variation. The drawing is quasi-symmetrical but not completely symmetrical, so there are always parts that are different on the left, on the right, on the top, on the bottom, etc. Why we worked with a pen plotter? It's because sometimes in a glass studio you need like a lot of plastic, paper, stencils, many different layers of works which involve a lot of garbage, a lot of waste at the end to make one piece. We don't use anything else than a pen and inks that do not contain like heavy metal. It's also quite special because only in such projects usually is it possible to work at such a large scale. As an artist, I have a kind of responsibility to really do my best and to do really something great.